Today I'm going to show you how to make Red Velvet Cupcakes with a Vanilla Buttercream. For the cupcakes you will need 200 grams of self-raising flour, 175 grams of caster sugar, 125 millilitres of vegetable oil, 150 millilitres of buttermilk, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 egg and 2 teaspoons of red food colouring. I used a gel, but whatever food colouring you use, just make sure it is bake stable. Firstly, in a bowl, to your self-raising flour add your caster sugar and your cocoa powder and give it a mix until well combined. Then to your buttermilk add your egg, your oil and your red food colouring, and again give it a mix till well combined. And then you want to add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients and mix until you have a nice batter form. Then pre-prepare a cupcake tray with cupcake cases and simply spoon your mixture into each cupcake case. Then pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for 16 to 20 minutes or until a skewer comes out of the cakes clean. Then for our buttercream you will need 200 grams of icing sugar, 90 grams of butter cubed at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and approximately 2 tablespoons of milk. To your icing sugar add your butter, and with a fork you want to mash the butter into the icing sugar as much as it possibly will let you. If you have a stand mixer, by all means you can chuck it in the stand mixer and it'll be a lot easier, but this is the way of doing it if you don't have any equipment. If you find that your butter is a little bit too hard and you're finding it hard to mash, as long as it's a microwavable bowl, pop it in the microwave for 10 seconds just to soften the butter up and continue mashing. And once you've mashed the butter in as much as it will possibly let you, then you want to add in your vanilla and a little bit of your milk and give it a mix and then start to bring it together as a buttercream, and then just add the milk in a little bit at a time until you have the consistency of buttercream that you want. It's easier to add milk than it is to try and take it away, so do just add the milk a little bit at a time. If you do find that your buttercream becomes a bit too runny, add more icing sugar and that should start to bring it back together. And then you simply want to top your cupcakes with your buttercream. I pop mine in a piping bag with a piping tip, but you can just spread it on top if you want. And then I just decorated the top of mine with some sprinkles to make it look pretty, but you don't have to at all. And there you have it. That's how you make Red Velvet Cupcakes with Vanilla Buttercream.